There is no way that S26 Ultra will be now any less than the upcoming iPhone 18 Pro. Samsung just leveled up their game for S26 Ultra. We've got some major improvements to cover for the S26 Ultra which are worth listening, including bigger battery finally, final design and much more. Let me explain. First of all, we have the real life looks of the S26 Ultra in two colors. You can see these dummy units, they confirm pretty much of everything regarding the design and overall look. A trusted leakster on X known as OnLeaks shared a video and few images of these units. Now there has been a lot of misunderstanding in these dummy units video that these are real production units of S26 Ultra. But not. Let me show you how. You can see as the person puts their finger on the volume buttons, they appear to go all the way inside the frame. And that's definitely not what a real unit looks like. So these are 100% dummy units. As per the design, the rear side is pretty similar with the Galaxy Z Fold 7 because we have a separate island for these three major camera sensors. They have been put onto this oval shaped island which looks cool until it wobbles. Unlike the S25 Ultra which had very less wobbling, you can see that on the Z Fold 7 this camera layout make the phone wobble a lot, and definitely same will be the case for the S26 Ultra. After that, the S26 Ultra is having the curved edges which is a full design shift from boxy shaped design on the previous Ultra flagships. The S25 Ultra was also curved, but this time Samsung has taken it further. Other than that, a single punch hole selfie shooter is there, but the selfie camera cutout on S26 Ultra is going to be bigger this time than the S25 Ultra, and the reason for that is that Samsung is making its field of view more wider in the selfie camera. If you remember, Apple launched this feature with their iPhone 17 Pro Max, where you don't have to rotate your phone anymore to capture a group of people in photos using front camera, thanks to that wide camera sensor. So Samsung is following that same pathway. Talking about the camera setup, then we are getting a 12 megapixel selfie camera and 4 cameras at the rear side, but with not so noticeable upgrades. There will be a 200 megapixel primary sensor, 50 megapixel ultra wide, 50 megapixel periscope telephoto and a 12 megapixel telephoto sensor. The 200 megapixel HP2 sensor, which Samsung also utilized for the S25 Ultra's camera, is featured in the S26 Ultra's primary camera. However, on the S25 Ultra, this sensor had an f1.7 aperture, whereas the S26 Ultra's primary camera is rumored to have 1.4 aperture. So definitely better low light shots. But there is more. Exynos, another reliable Samsung tipster, revealed that Samsung will use a much improved camera lenses this time to tackle the issue of lens flare and an issue where we were getting yellowish skin tone. So I hope that will be fixed now with these new camera lenses. Now talking about the new battery, we have seen some rumors about the battery getting an upgrade. From years, Samsung was stuck around 5000 milliamps mark and never crossed it. And with the S26 Ultra, we might get an upgrade but of 200 milliamps according to Phone Arena. Now last but not least, Samsung has announced the Exynos 2600, a very powerful chip that S26 Ultra will use. This latest chip introduces a brand new NPU offering a 113% enhancement compared to the Exynos 2500, which is huge. It also promises a substantial increase in performance for AI tasks executed on the device. Korean AI company Nota AI has verified that its AI model optimization technology will be applied to the Exynos 2600, enabling the execution of larger AI models directly on the device. If you don't know, then let me tell you that Samsung's AI processing power and the end results are way better than the Apple's AI, because Apple's AI was never able to catch up to the Samsung's AI, and Samsung is further improving it, leaving the Apple behind in this AI game. So these were all just few latest upgrades we have discussed. If you want to know more about the S26 Ultra's major upgrades, then you can watch these videos and I'll meet you there.